Hi everyone, welcome back to E-Roll Battery. Today we're going to replace a battery on this 2022 Ford Transit Connect. We're going to begin by loosening up the two ring in front of this hose, one in the back, one in the front, and we're going to use a flathead screwdriver. We're going to take off the two clamp that's holding the intake cover. Then we're going to try to move it around until the rubber gasket moves backwards. Just keep on forcing it with your finger. Then we're gonna move the top of the cover, take it out, and on top of the cover is a oxygen sensor. We're gonna take out the oxygen sensor, and then we're gonna try to move the intake. Just try to wiggle it and take it out. And there's a fork clamp in the bottom of this air intake. We're gonna try to keep on moving it, and then we're gonna move out the P-trap. We're gonna try to take this piece out so we can take out the whole air intake. Just loosen it a little more. And just begin pulling it until we get loose. Once you pull it out, we're going to put it to the side so we have some room and we can take out the air intake. Trying to get everything out of the way, and once you loosen the air intake, it actually comes out sideways. And we're going to place it on the side, then take out the cover. And there's another cover on the positive. Take this cover out too to the side. Here we are testing the battery, just to be sure that the battery is actually dead. This Fastwell tool is a tool that we have been using for a while. Eventually we're going to make a couple of videos of the tools that we use day to day, how to use them and how reliable are they, because we do use them a lot, and this is one of the tools that has lasted the longest. Then we're going to take out a 10mm wrench and try to loosen the positive. I don't have that much space here to use the electric wrench. So once we got that loose, then we're going to use a flathead screwdriver, take out the grommet that hold the wires together and put them to a side. So we're going to have some space for the battery to move back or forward. Then on top we have a battery hold down that is hold down by two 10mm. Here we're going to use the electric sockets a little quicker and we don't have to get our hands scraped. We got the hold down, move the battery out the farthest we can so we can have some room of getting to the negative wire. Once you loosen the 10mm nut, we're going to use a flathead to pry the wire out of the battery. Here is the battery. We're going to install it. Just try to remember this car needs an AGM battery. If you don't use an AGM battery and it's a regular battery, the negative there in the back is going to get corroded. I have seen that a lot in a lot of Fords because they're not using a stronger battery. So you need an AGM battery for this car. Once you get the battery situated, you push it back and we're going to put on the battery hold down on top of the battery. All right, then we're going to tighten it down on both sides. Then we're going to put in the battery cover. You're just going to line it up and slide it in all the way down into a clip. Then we're going to put in the positive terminal all the way down and it's going to hold into the battery door. Then we're going to put in the positive. Once you put in the positive, tighten it down with a 10mm and then we're going to put the positive cover. And we're going to begin installing the air intake. Once you get the air intake situated, then you're going to look and see where are all the little grommet that go in the hole and look for them and try to align them the best you can and just push down and it'll clip back in. Then we're going to put in the P-trap on the side. Once it's in, wiggle everything to see if it's tight. Then we're going to put in the air intake hose Then we're gonna try to align everything so the top of the air intake will fit right in. And push up all the clamps. Then we're gonna put in the oxygen sensor. Then once you put in the oxygen sensor, we're gonna put in the hose clamp and tighten it down. Thank you everyone for coming over and watching our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're going to have more video coming up soon. Thank you for your support.